Look at the numbers in the state of Maryland. You know why? Because it's going to be very, very hot outside in the state of Maryland and where we are, especially Baltimore and everywhere where you live. So today in the state of Maryland, it's 91 degrees, partly sunny, with the air quality index, which is on the 80 on the yellow stuff. Serenity moderate, which is air, feels like 91 degrees, wind 14 miles per hour, visibility 9.9 mile, barometer 29.95 inch. And on the left, you'll see on the Sunday, May 23rd, you can see partly sunny around 92 degrees. And it's going to be very, very hot outside, and I bet when you go outside, you're going to be very, very sweaty. We're going to go over to the map. We're going to go over to the maps, which is the Doppler radar. We're going to skip radar observation and the radar forecast, so we know, because, you know why we're going to skip it? It's because it's not going to be raining in Maryland or even Delaware. It's going to be very quiet and empty. And look at that, guys. As you see here on the Doppler radar on the temperatures are showing the green stuff on the 50s, and it's changing colors because it's going to be very, very hot. So you can see here, Maryland, in the state of Maryland, the orange and the yellow represents hot. Yellow, which means 70, and on the orange showing 85. So temperatures all over the United States, it's going to be very hot with the name, so we're going to name it. So in New York, it's going to be very hot, as well as Michigan, Ohio, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Kentucky, Tennessee, Indiana, and so on and so forth, guys. So, in the state of Maryland, 50s is going to be on the light green one, and so see it again, guys. You can see Maryland is showing it's going to be very, very hot with the 85 on the orange, 70 in Maryland on the yellow stuff, and 50s on the green stuff. So it's still going to be very, very hot outside. It's going to be 92 degrees in the United States, but it's going to be in Maryland 92 degrees. And it's almost getting towards 100 degrees. The precipitation is moving on different directions. The southbound side. So the 0.01 and the 0.08 on the yellow and the green stuff, which is in Ohio. And look, almost getting towards Maryland. And it's pushing through on Frederick County, the Washington County, the Carroll County, Garrett County, Allegheny County, and so on and so forth, guys. So let's talk about the precipitation right on the top on the East Coast and the Midwest. So, Pennsylvania is really moving on the precipitation on the 0.01 yellow stuff. Ohio is same thing, it's really moving, as well as little bit in Kentucky. West Virginia is moving. Virginia is really moving just a little bit. Michigan is really moving. So, but Tennessee, South Carolina, North Carolina is showing it. Well, look at that. North Carolina is a little bit on the precipitation, but mostly it's going to be empty and quiet. But other than that, so on and so forth, guys. In Washington, if you live in District of Columbia, Washington, you can see here the precipitation is only 0.01 on the yellow stuff, and as well as New Jersey. With the satellite is moving on the southbound side, way down the southbound side. So we're going to name it. Michigan is moving, Indiana is moving, Tennessee is moving, Kentucky is moving, North Carolina is moving, South Carolina is moving, and again, guys, North Carolina and South Carolina is really moving. Here at home in Maryland, it's really moving. Delaware is moving. New Jersey is moving. Pennsylvania is really moving. New York, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Rhode Island, and Connecticut. Everywhere on the white stuff on the satellite, it's really moving. And especially around the ocean side and the terrain. Clouds are going to be in the United States. Clouds are going to be in Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, New York, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Rhode Island, Connecticut, Michigan, Kentucky, Tennessee, Indiana, Ohio, Illinois, and so on and so forth, guys. And don't forget about North and South Carolina. You can see here, clouds are moving on the different directions, as well as southbound side on the eastbound side. Southeast side on the clouds in Maryland. So if you look outside, clouds are going to be moving. So it's not going to clear up, but a little bit in New York it's going to be moving. So yeah, other than that, Maryland's going to be moving on the clouds if you look outside the window, or if you go outside. But even though if you go outside, it's going to be sweaty. Well, I meant you'll be sweaty. Alright, so moving on to the favorites where you live. So we know it's going to be on the 90, so we're on 90 degrees where you live in Maryland and even Baltimore. So the rest of it's going to be on the 80s and 90s. So Bel Air showing 88, Belcamp showing 90, Capenville 89, Chesapeake City 90, Chestertown 92, Churchville 88, Columbia 89, Conowingo 88, Darlington 85, Dundalk 89, Edgewood 90, Elbridge 91, Elton 90, Elgin City and Essex showing the 90s, which is partly sunny and even mostly cloudy. Falston showing 88, Frederick showing 90, Glen Burnie 92, Hagerstown 88, Halethorpe 90, Havre de Grace 88, Jarrettsville 87, Jessup 90, Joppatown 88, Kingsville 88, Laura 89, 90 degrees in Middle River, 88 degrees in Nottingham, 84 degrees in Ocean City, 88 degrees in Owens Mills. Perry Hall showing 89, Perryville showing 84, Pikeville showing 88, Queenstown 87, Reynoldstown and Reisterstown showing 88 and 87, Rising Sun 88 as well, Riverside 90, Rosedale same thing, Savage 88, Towson same thing, Whiteford showing same thing, White Marsh Station showing 89, Joppa 88, Northeast 90, Aberdeen 90, Aberdeen Proving Ground showing the exact same thing as well as where you live in Maryland everywhere, Annapolis 91, and finally Abingdon 88. With the historical weather showing the average high 75 degrees, average low 54 degrees, record high 96 degrees, 1996, record low 35 degrees, 1997, and finally average rainfall 3.91 inch. So the day details. Expect partly sunny skies. The high will be 92. Night, the sky will be partly cloudy. The low will be 69. Sunrise, 5:46 a.m. Sunset, 8:19 p.m. Moonrise, 5:05 p.m. Moonset, 4:04 a.m. I'll say it again. 5:05 p.m. Moonset, 4:04 a.m. So precipitation showing 22%, humidity 32%, UV index 9 very high, max wind 13 miles per hour. So record rain 0.47 inch 2010, average rain showing 0.1 inch. With the temperatures showing with the record high 90 degrees 1992, average high 77, record low 42 degrees 2002, and finally average low 56 degrees. So today's gonna be partly sunny, but tomorrow it's going to be 70 degrees rain. Now here's the rest of the forecast for you guys. So Tuesday it's going to be 75 degrees, partly sunny. Wednesday is going to be 90 degrees with the high, which is rain showers. Back on the lowest numbers, which is 87 degrees, partly sunny, which is on Thursday. Friday is going to be 77 degrees, partly sunny. Saturday is going to be light rain around 66. And as well as the light rain showing 70 on Sunday, 78 degrees on light rain on Monday, the next Monday, and then Tuesday is going to be partly sunny around the 80s. So here's the breakdown, guys. So tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, it's going to be rain. But Saturday, Sunday, Monday, it's going to be light rain. But tomorrow it's going to be rain. And then Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Tuesday, it's going to be partly sunny. But the only rain the only rain showers we're going to get on the highest will be on Wednesday.